It started with almost nothing, just one egg. There's a secret in this cake. I wanted to bake a cake, but I opened the fridge and there was just one egg. For a moment, I almost gave up. One egg didn't feel like enough. But Christmas has a way of whispering, "Try anyway." If you love quiet baking stories like this, welcome to Sweet Backstories. When the cake was ready, I couldn't believe it. It was soft, chocolate and warm, more than I expected. Some cakes don't just taste sweet, they take you back. Just one egg, one quiet Christmas afternoon, one sweet backstory.